Hello everyone, welcome to English and Educational Updates. Most of the teachers do inform us and complain that, sir, we have been doing the courses, we have been completing the modules, but still our name is there in the Excel sheet as an inactive teacher or headmaster. So the reason could be you have not updated your profile details on Diksha app, or you might not have shared your details such as treasury ID, your working school details with course administrator on Diksha app. Well, in today's video, let us explore how to update your profile details on Diksha app, how to link your name with your dashboard so that you can automatically become active in Diksha app as well as in NISTA 2.0 and 3.0 courses. Let us now see how we can update our profile details in Diksha app. So as you see on the screen, first open Diksha app from your Android phone. Then it will direct us to the main home page of Diksha app. And here you can see home button, you can see search button, and then follows QR code scanner, download option, and the last you can see human like symbol, and that is called profile button. So once you click on profile button, it will take us to the contents page where you can see your Diksha ID and your name and what kind of role you are playing in Diksha. Are you just a teacher or a content writer, such as. Now after seeing the content preference title, you can notice edit option there. So click on this edit option, then it will direct us to changing of our details. So here you observe your name and role. If you click on this role button, you will see the drop down menu such as teacher, student, head teacher. If you are headmaster or principal or special officer, you can choose that option. If you are a parent doing some course, if you are educated, you can also select as that option and other. So here choose teacher button and click on submit. And after finishing this option, then you have to see that you belong to which state, and if you belong to state of Andhra Pradesh, you click on Andhra Pradesh and submit, and then follows district option. So here I am choosing Anantapuram as I belong to Anantapur. Click on submit, and next option is block, which means mandal. So here you need to select your mandal where you are working. So for as an example, I am selecting that I belong to Settur mandal and click on submit. After this, you can see cluster title. Click on cluster title and select in which school complex or cluster you are working. So here I am choosing ZPHS Chinnampalli is as my cluster and click on submit. Then the actual school you are working. So if you click on this drop down menu title school, you can see all the school names of the schools under that cluster attached or tagged schools. Then here you can select the school where you are working. So I am selecting ZPHS Chinnampalli as an example and click on the submit button. So once you check all the details whether they are correct or not, then you can finally click on submit button as we see on the screen, submit. Then it will show profile updated successfully, which means you have just now updated all your details with course administrator, and now you become active in the NISTA courses, and your name will not be repeatedly shown in the Excel sheet as an inactive teacher. So this is one problem. And another one is, if you want to like share your details, profile details with your course administrator, then you can click on this NISTA, tap here for NISTA secondary courses. And for example, if you want to join AP 11 Pathashala Vidyalo Patakalu, so click on this option and it will show that join the course. And once you click on this, it will ask you share your details, profile details with course administrator. So if you click don't share, your details will not be shared. Mind, my dear teachers and headmasters, if you click on don't share, your details will not be linked with the dashboard. So if you click on this button, tick option and click on share, then automatically all your details will be linked with that particular module as well as the main dashboard database. So with this, I'm sure you are all clear with process of updating your profile details and joining course instructions. So thank you very much for watching my channel. Happy learning, keep learning. Please subscribe to English and educational updates. Thank you once again.